Now, I'm not going to speak at all during this because I'm going to let you watch and listen.
Oh,
It can bow for you, and
big and black. Here.
go like that with its wings.
Over there, big and black.
Go like that. Wave to you.
I'm going to stand on here.
I'm not even going to try and take a photograph. I don't want to miss it.
Oh my gosh, wow.
Give me the camera then, man. Oh, you'll miss it. It'll be too fast. Nope, it's a secret ride.
Can you see it?
Gorgeous, isn't it?
Whoa.
You're getting on to come over.
Dad, can I have the Vulcan for my birthday?
You have what?
The Vulcan in my birthday present.
The Vulcan for your birthday present?
Yeah.
So, ladies and gentlemen, the mighty Vulcan. Wasn't that pretty good?
Looks like a paper. Is that it?
So, she's now banking around and we'll be making an approach to Woodford, of course the birthplace of the Vulcan.